Hey everybody, this is Yvonne. Today we are making cough syrup. Now, this process is going to take me several days. That's what I have to cook this elderberry. Okay, I'm speaking too fast. This is elderberry, echinacea, marshmallow root, eucalyptus, horehound. And right now it's just boiling in spring water. And what we're going to do after this has boiled for at least an hour, well, not boiled, but simmered for at least an hour. I have the heat on really low. And what we're going to do is let this cook down for about an hour. And once it has done that, I'm going to strain it, take all of that water, put that aside, and I'm going to take this material and I'm going to simmer it again in less water. Get that water. Then mix that with glycerin to make the syrup. At the second strain that I do on the herbs is when I add in the honey. Because there's honey also, but I don't boil the honey or cook the honey at all. What I do is in that second boil, after that second boil, I will add the honey to the mixture right before it cools, so the honey will incorporate a little faster because warm things mixes the honey better than cool things. So after I have strained it and simmered it the second time, that's when I add in the honey. I use raw organic honey, wild harvest or wildflower honey. I don't particularly care for clover honey. And not only is this medicinal, but it actually doesn't taste bad with the honey and the glycerin. I may throw in, on the second pass, I may throw in some lemon peel. I may not. Oh, lemon balm. There is also lemon balm in here. Let's go over the ingredient list again. Echinacea, elderberry, marshmallow root, horehound, I just said, oh my God, eucalyptus, echinacea, elderberry, horehounds, lemon balm. There we go. Okay. So that is the base. That's the base for our syrup. And it will be honey and glycerin as our sweetener. So this, I don't even have bottles to put it in yet. Those still haven't come in yet. So I really, I should be using a wooden spoon. But I broke it. I broke my wooden spoon. So I'm using metal. But yeah, as I was saying, when my bottles come in, I will bottle it up and it will be on the website in time for cold and flu season. And honestly, this cough syrup is good for suppressing cough, of course. But a little tiny bit mixed with some water every day is a good immunity boost.